Hello, welcome back. Today we are fitting in a 5 cooker gas hob, and here's what we got. So it's gonna be another DIY installation as usual. We're gonna do this together. This is the new gas hob that we have, and we want to replace the old electric hob with a new gas hob. So let's unpack together and see what it looks like. Okay, this from China. Oh, we got this from China Center in Johannesburg, Edenville. So yeah, there it is. This is what we got. It's a 5 burner. I believe it's called 5 burner. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it uses batteries for ignition to start it up. It uses batteries. We'll feed the batteries and show you how it works. But basically, this is the unit that we have got. Take those things out. Just want to make sure that I keep everything together, just in case we have to retain it. Let's do that. There we go. I believe this is tempered glass top. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is the old electric one. 4-plate electric hob that we want to remove is old. So we are going to replace this one with the new 5 hob gas top. So yeah, this is the old one. So we have already disconnected. We're just gonna take it out and do the necessary. Just all right. I think I need a light. Okay, so this is our hob. We've managed to trim the hole where we want it to fit. So this is what it will look like. Once we have done all the installation, we'll clean up the mess, and uh, it works with a battery. We'll also show you how to install that battery, and then for now we'll just make sure that it works and it's okay. Then sometime we'll put some silicone sealer across there on the edges, to block anything that will spill from the stove. But it looks okay. It looks okay, and yeah, took us what, 1 hour. So it's just things that you can do as a DIY. That's the whole point of doing it. So yeah, let's just do the connections and we'll show you the final with the stove working, and then we will be done for today. Okay, that's our final gas pipe reticulation. This will come over here, so we can just test fit our stove one side, then we'll put the other side of the everything the way it's supposed to be. Is it sitting okay? Okay, so for now seems to be good. Okay, so here's our final. Okay, that's our final gas pipe reticulation. This will come over here, so we can just test fit our stove one side, then we'll put the other side of the everything the way it's supposed to be. Is it sitting okay? Okay, so for now seems to be good. Okay, oh, really wrong. Which one? We just want to test to see if all the plates come on and they work. There we go. Another DIY installation done. Very simple. We remove the old electric hob, replace it with a 5 burner gas stove, and it's working. So thank you very much for being with us. This is a short video clip. It's another vlog, and we're hoping to see you in the next one. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you very much for taking the time to be with us today. Thank you.